Double del.
Alrighty then, helps if I turn the microphone on. Welcome back. Oh, we got something. Oh, we got something cooking. We got something cooking.
Speed of NQ7
20 up there. All right. Wait for it. Don't forget, trading is risky. All that good jazz. Let's go. All right, we are running into the final hour of the day. We have some volatility there. Don't forget, we've also got high VIX. Why? What is the main driver that we talked about last night for this week? Earnings, right? It is big time earnings. We go into our Discord channel chat, type !! earnings. Make sure you become familiar with all of our various commands. This one's very handy. 608 companies reporting after hours. So we are going to get some umption gumption here into the final half hour for sure, if not the entire final hour. So Damien, give me some shout outs there in the chat. What's up, Martin? Great to see you, my friend. Plutonium. What's up, Doug? Welcome aboard. Great to see everybody. Hopefully you guys got to check out Mentorship Monday last night. If you didn't, make sure you do and go through the homework assignments. Okay, potential moonshot here. Since I did not grab it right when it hit, let me get a measurement on it. We're looking for 20 ticks out of that. Did it go? Went 22 ticks. Okay, so that's good. We've got potential retail in there. Retail got wrecked right here. That might have been their exit point. That one is getting larger, so we can't just do a reversal there. We went over that in detail last night. We are at a good spot on the masher. You see it over here. We have been trucking straight through that divergence though, so we have to be aware of the continuation first. I like to wait for another zone. We have come out of this larger zone down below. We're now building up a volume node right here, as we can see.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
And then once we've gotten another zone established up top here, then I will double. Wow, we haven't seen that in a while. That is a double divergence over here on the right. Wait for our little arrow to show up there. And let's mark out where the retail is right here. Press F6 right there on that white cross.
Double delta.
They're getting wrecked on the other side. Okay. There is green cross 1. We are longs favorable on the day. There's my red cross. All right, I'll go ahead and add into my position here on this one right here. And nope, we just went above that green cross here. So I need to look for my point of exit. You don't want to take a very small risk off of a play like this. So my risk is going to be at the top of that green alpha omega cross right there. I want to see a little accumulation in this spot right here for what looks like right now to be a scalp opportunity here.
Double delta sell NQ on the 2.
Okay, another cross there, and gonna add to my position here to try to get myself back in and bail on that position. That one did not get the follow through I was expecting. I want to see a Bollinger touch at the bottom. Yeah, they got me caught on that one. Coming up with some speed. Gonna add to it. Okay, we're right back to where they originally entered. That's not good here for me.
Double delta by NQ on the 3.
Right on that king timing.
Speed of NQ 54. Delta by building NQ on the 3. Double delta by NQ on the 3.
Just got a big blue right there. Gonna go ahead and take that out. Go ahead and mark up the zone.
Delta by NQ on the 9 on the 2.
Yeah, there's our zone.
Double delta by NQ on the 2.
Yeah, so I was a little bit early on that. Wish I would have added right here, right? Who's playing right here? Who is that?
Delta
Question.
by building NQ on the 2.
Who is that? You felt it. I felt it. Everything felt up, up, up. Who got in right there? Come on. If you guys been watching for the last few videos, I've really been putting that in. That's the cross. That's the retail cross. That means a bunch of retail. Press the button right there at that spot. Right. Thinking it's long. Correct. Here comes the leg of hope. I want to play against that.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
ICT buyers. Yes. Retail hoping for a breakout. Correct. Correct.
Double delta by NQ on the 3.
I see a delta, double delta down below. I'm gonna take the next play. Top of the zone. No retail entered in at that white cross right there. I'm going to play against them. I'm going to go ahead and quarter position here. Right where, again, I drew the white line here. I'm going to draw another white line right here. So we got two lines. We know that the retail's feeling happier here in this zone right here. Okay. Draw it several times here. Okay, super nice and thick. This is where they're feeling relief. Okay, they probably will not get relief. They're holding to their positions.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Okay, there's another retail jumping in. Let's see. That one's hard to tell. They could be that one right in the middle there. They could be going long, could be going short. I want to see. Let's see the hand first before I add to that position. Trying to target my 4K. I need about $600 to get to my 4K.
Double delta sell NQ on the 2. Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Okay, I got my finger over the close here. In case we decide to get spicy. Would love to see a red Enigma up here. Did not see the big guys step in there. Want to see a white cross.
Double delta by NQ on the 3.
Okay, here's 330. Got my finger over the close.
NQ3.
Carnage. All right. Added to position here. Got risk on.
Double delta by NQ on the 2. Double delta by NQ.
Yikes, there's the big guys. Okay, finger of the close. Put my stop up above. Yikes. All right, there's the big guy right there. Okay, so they are pushing long here. King timing. Love to see a fake out drop. Give me a cross. White cross here would be great. Don't want to see the big guy step here. Want to see the small guy step in and get wrecked. All right. Drop back in. Drop it for me.
Delta by building NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Might have gotten too zealous on that.
New bar on the tide.
Yikes, that is an ignition bar. I should have been looking at the higher time frame there.
Delta sell building NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the sell NQ.
All right, I hope that's them exchanging hands and dropping them up there. I hope that's them dropping them. Those are the big guys. Let's see him drop it. Finish him off. Finish him off. Finish him off. Let's go. Okay, that would be a 74. It's got to go 74 to get to there. It's probably wishful thinking. 74. What's this one? 58. Where's 50? 50 is right about there. Stacking them up. Stacking them up. All right. Hopefully this is them dumping contracts and not picking them up. Dump them. Thank you. Dump them. Okay, I'm going to burn half here.
By NQ on the 3. Enigma short on the NQ2. Enigma long on the NQ2.
Drop it.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Don't you break that. Drop it.
Speed of NQ54. Speed of NQ54. Double delta by NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 9. Divergence down NQ on the 42.
Okay, retail going long right there. Come on, drop it for me. Press F6. I like to mark those. Okay. Retail going long right there. Feels like they're going back up. They're thinking that they're going to get a breakout high. All right, that's my narrative. See if I am right. We will know here shortly. $337. Divergence showing up here on the 42 range, big time frame. Yikes, got a green dot in here. That is a headshot on the MACV, so I might have to run through some heat. We have still not seen anything on the other side of the MACV histogram. I'd like to see that shift red a bit before they pick up more contracts.
Double delta by NQ on the 3.
There's my 4K. King timing line, drop it on the king, drop it on the king, drop it on the king. Very weird movement off of there on the king timing to not continue a drop. Right there, you see that? Remember that.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Two finger NQ on the 42.
I was gonna say retail showed up right there, but no, big guy showed up there too. Okay, not good.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3. DCDM NQ on the 2.
Okay, gonna add to my position right here. Hopefully that's retail pressing the button to get in long. And that is hopefully a dump right there. And let's see if we get a big fake to help me out here. Kicking myself for not taking that 4K earlier. Getting a little bit greedy. Felt we had the narrative here off of this nice bright retail entry long. At least I thought that was what that was here. Feel like that's still a pretty good read.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Okay, there's the Enigma I want to see. Don't break it.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Okay, there's my moonshot. Here comes king timing. Give us that moonshot drop.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 2.
I mean, that is a cluster if I've ever seen one. Now wreck them. So, nasty. So we've got a lot of earnings coming after hours. Wow, look at how that whole oscillator completely shifted. Look at that. This is how it's been all day, and then just went straight. Hold that cluster and give me a drop here. Yikes, there's the big guy. There's another moonshot. I mean, we should be able to get this drop any other time. I would love this. We are 4 minutes from the crazy algo. You know the one.
Double delta.
600 companies reporting after hours. The area of safety is down below us, which is what? The golden ropes, right? Pretty big risk here. Pretty big reward opportunity potential.
Double delta sell.
This would put us back down into the golden ropes. And this one's also back down to the golden ropes. So yeah, hopefully that is the golden ropes with safety. Hopefully this is retail getting wrecked in here. We've got a retail block cluster of, okay, it's another one. They should be adding to position right there to go long. And hopefully that is the final carnage for us, because I'm tired of waiting. I don't know about you guys.
Enigma long on the NQ3. Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Delta sell double building delta by NQ on the 3. Delta sell building NQ on the 3.
All right, the big guy stepped in there right at 350 algo. So mark that down. Remember, what do the white crosses represent? Type it in the chat. If you said ICT students, you're right. If you said retail, you're right. Catch you in the next one. I'll be posting my broker statements to Twitter at Real Vinny Emini. Make sure you follow me there. See ya.
Speed up NQ 173.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.